Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. This is episode 2 of Smart Home Sundays, and today we're going over some genius ways to use motion sensors to make your home smarter and more secure. Let's start at the front door. A motion sensor can automatically turn on your porch light or entry hallway light when you arrive. No more fumbling for switches. In bathrooms, motion-activated lighting means the lights turn on when someone walks in and turn off after they leave. Perfect for kids who forget or for late-night trips without blinding brightness. Place a sensor inside your closet or pantry to turn on lights only when the door opens or someone walks in. Saves energy and adds convenience. Pair motion sensors with your smart home security system to get alerts or trigger alarms when motion is detected while you're away, whether it's inside or outside. You can even use a motion sensor in your garage or basement to automatically light up the space when you walk in, especially helpful when your hands are full. These are just a few practical ideas, but motion sensors can do a lot more depending on how you set them up. Got a creative use for motion sensors? Tell me in the comments. And if you're looking for motion sensors that work with Alexa, Google, or Apple Home, check the description for my top picks. That's it for this week's Smart Home Sunday. If you enjoyed this, give it a like and consider subscribing for more simple smart home tips. See you next Sunday.